Need to slow down a tutorial, speed through a long video, or study a lecture at your own pace? VLC makes playback speed easy to change. In this guide, I'll show you how to speed videos up, slow them down, use keyboard shortcuts, and return to normal speed. Yeah, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and load the video you want to watch. You can select Media, then open File, choose your video, and click Open. Let the video start playing before changing the speed. Once your video is playing, open the playback menu at the top of VLC. Look for the speed option. From here, VLC gives you several ways to make the video faster or slower. To make the video play faster, choose Faster from the Speed menu. You can select Faster repeatedly if you want to increase the speed further. This is useful for quickly getting through long videos, lectures, or tutorials. If the video is moving too quickly, open the same speed menu and choose Slower. You can repeat the option until the pace feels comfortable. Slower playback is especially useful when you're following detailed instructions or studying something difficult. For more precise control, VLC also provides finer speed adjustments in the speed menu. Look for options such as slightly faster or slightly slower. These make smaller changes than the regular speed controls, so you can fine-tune the playback without jumping too far. You can also control playback speed directly from your keyboard. In VLC, the bracket keys can be used to decrease or increase playback speed, depending on your version and keyboard layout. So, if you're adjusting speed often, shortcuts can save you a few clicks. When you're ready to return to the original speed, open Playback, then Speed, and choose Normal. VLC will immediately return the video to its standard playback rate. And that's how you change playback speed in VLC. Use Faster for quick viewing, Slower for detailed content, and the finer controls when you need more precision. Yeah, once you get used to it, adjusting playback speed takes just a few seconds.